Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment method in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the payments button. And at the payments option, click on the add card button and just fill it with your name, the card number, the expiry date, and the security code, which is at the back of your card. And once you did that, just click on the save card button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.